I just sprayed my slow cooker with avocado oil. I'm making Mongolian beef today. I have a chuck roast that's a little bit over 2 pounds. It's almost 2.5 pounds. You could go all the way up to 4 pounds in this recipe. It's supposed to cook for 8 to 10 hours. So I'm gonna add half a cup of dark brown sugar. Just put it in the slow cooker like that. Then I'm adding half a cup of Bragg's liquid aminos. Right into the pot it goes. Then, just so you know, this is what it looks like. It's healthier for you. There's lots of good stuff in it. So let's try to be healthier. Okay, then I do the reduced sodium soy sauce. Then I'm gonna do about this much. I use the organic minced garlic. Into the pot it goes. And then I do about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm gonna give that a good mix. Get that nice and mixed. And then I'm gonna add my roast. And that's all gonna cook down in the pot once I mix that together for 8 to 10 hours. And it tastes so good. And I'm gonna serve that with rice. This is what my gravy looks like before I add the roast. It's nice and thick. So I'm gonna add the roast to that now. And I'm cooking it on low heat for 8 to 10 hours. It is now over 8 hours later. I'm gonna take out the meat and I'm gonna slice it, or it's falling apart, which is what you want. Smells so good. So you're gonna slice it or shred it. So I'm gonna let it cool off before I slice it because I don't want to burn myself. You're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is what I use. And you're gonna take, that's my daughter in the background, by the way. Hi. You're gonna take about 3/4 a cup of the liquid. Maybe a ladle would be better. Hold on. And I also made my not so fried rice to go with this. See my crazy kitchen. Here. This will work. So we're going to take about 3/4 a cup of the liquid. So what I did was I filled it up with the ladle. So with this liquid, I filled it up until it hit the 1 cup mark. And then I just used the same tablespoon and I just kept on blending it together until it was this texture. So you pour this liquid back into the slow cooker and it incorporates back in and it thickens the sauce. And that's what makes your gravy. So probably better off with my rubber scraper. So here you go. And this is a better consistency. And you could smell the ginger, you could smell the garlic. And then I'm going to slice this because it has cooled off a little bit. Now it's not steaming hot like lava.